Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the maths class of Standard 3. Today we are continuing the chapter 6 multiplication. In the previous classes, we have already completed the multiplication tables, isn't it? Now you know the multiplication tables from 1 to 10. So, today we are starting the multiplication of two-digit number by one-digit number. Okay, so let's move to the class. Multiplication of two-digit number by one-digit number without regrouping, that we will check today. So, if a question is given to multiply a number, that is 43 by 2, okay, 43 by 2, then you have to arrange these numbers in tabular form first. That is, you have to arrange it in tables. And don't forget to put the multiplication symbol. Okay, so just like this you can arrange. That is 4 tens and 3 ones, and the multiplier you should write just below the ones place digit. Okay, so here the ones place digit is 3, so you have to arrange the number 2 just below the number 3. Okay, so this way you can arrange that number to multiply in tabular form. Okay, children. So, after arranging it in tabular form, you have to multiply the multiplier by the digits in ones and tens places respectively. Okay, first you have to multiply the multiplier. Here the multiplier is 2 and multiplicand is 4 and 3, isn't it? So you have to multiply 2 with 3 first and after that 2 with 4. Okay, multiply the multiplier with the ones place digit and then with tens place digit. Clear, children? Okay. Then first we will start the multiplication now. Then you have to take the product of 2 and 3 first and write in the corresponding place. Okay, that means you have to say the table of 2 up to 3. You have to say the table of 2 up to 3. We know 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, isn't it? So 2 threes are 6. The 6 you can write just down there, the corresponding place, in the corresponding place. Okay, so 2 threes are 6, that you can write. Now, you have to multiply 2 with 4. Okay, after completing 2 with 3, you have to multiply 2 with 4. So, here you have to say the table of 2 up to 4. Okay, so table of 2 up to 4 or table of 4 up to 2, that is also same. So, table of 2 up to 4 is 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. 2 fours are 8. So, that number 8 you can write below in the tens column. Okay, in that corresponding place, there you can write 8. So, we completed our multiplication. What is the product we got? 86. We got the product 86. We know the answer we will get after multiplication is called the product, isn't it? So, 4 twos are 8. That is 86 is the product of 43 into 2. Is it clear, children? Okay. So, this is the first question. You have to copy it your notebook. Now we are moving to the next one. 12 into 3. Look, children, the numbers 12 into 3. First you have to identify which is the multiplicand and which is the multiplier. Which is the multiplicand? 12 is the multiplicand and 3 is the multiplier. So you have to say the table of 3 up to 2 first. We know first we have to multiply 3 with 2 and then we have to multiply 3 with 1. Right? So 3 into 2, that is table of 3 up to 2, say first. That is 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. So down here you can write the number 6. Okay. Now the next step is 3 into 1. Multiply the multiplier with the tens place digit. That is 3 into 1. So say the table of 3 up to 1. 3 ones are 3. So you can write here 3. So 12 into 3 is 36. The product is 36. Clear, children? Okay. Now this one also you have to copy it your notebook. Now the next question. 32 into 3. 32 into 3. We know first we have to multiply 3 with 2, then 3 with 3. Right? So first you say the table of 3 up to 2. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 6 you can write just down here in this ones column. Okay. Now next step is multiply 3 with 3. Multiply 3 with 3. That is 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9. That you write in the tens column. So we got the product 96. What is it? 96. Clear, children? This also you copy to your notebook. Now the next one. 21 into 4. Here we have to multiply the multiplicand 21 by the multiplier 4. Okay. As we know, first we have to multiply the ones place digit. So you have to say the table of 4 up to 1 first. That is 4 ones are 4. So just down here you can write the number 4. Now you have to multiply 4 with 2. That is 4 with the tens place digit. So say the table of 4 up to 2. That is 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Very good. So 4 twos are 8. You can write in tens column. So we got the product 84. Okay. So this is the answer. Copy this one also. Now next example question. 42 into 2. Okay, here you have to say the table of 2 to multiply the number 42. And first you have to say the table of 2 up to 2 because 2 is in ones place and 4 is in tens place. So first multiply 2 with 2. Say the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Yes, 2 twos are 4. 4 you can write first. Now you multiply 2 with 4. So 2 with 4 is 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. So just down here you can write the number 8. So we got the product 84. Look, children, we got the product 84. So 42 into 2 is 84. So this one also copy. Now my dears, I am giving you some homework questions and these all are multiplication of 2-digit number by 1-digit number and without regrouping. So it is very easy for you to answer. You in the first set of question you have to say the table of 2 according to the multiplicants, then table of 3, and in the third row table of 4, and in the fourth row it is table of 5. Okay, so everyone please answer these all questions in your notebook. Okay, if any confusion, any difficulty occurs, please inform me and please ask me. I will clear your doubts. Okay, children, so everyone please do it in your notebook. So thank you.